Liam, mate, how we doing?
Good, mate. Good.
For everyone who's like jumping on, can you just give a quick like overview of who you are and what you actually do?
Yeah, for sure. So obviously my name's Liam. Run a company called Unorthodox, which we're an agency who help other agencies essentially get clients. Got a YouTube channel where we've been talking about that for the past 4 years, and then been running this agency for about 3 years now as well. So yeah, been working with you for a bit as we're about to jump into, and yeah, it's been going good, man.
Yeah, sick. So could you give me like a bit of an overview like of what we actually built for you and like and break that down?
Yeah, for sure. So in our business, right, we're very heavily reliant on AI. We want to find optimal solutions that allow us to scale without us having to hire in loads of team members or bringing in crazy overheads. So with us, it was like building out this full backend system that is not only a team management system, but it's also a client delivery system. So yeah, that's what we've kind of been building together inside of Notion. It literally runs our entire delivery and probably saves us needing to hire in at least 6 more team members. So yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's sick. That's actually sick. And then what would you say like the biggest frustration was before like we even implemented the system?
The biggest frustration is just there's so many different options out there, right? And they all kind of do a good job. So you have like ClickUp, you have you could use HubSpot, you could use all of these different platforms. Even just us, we were just using high level, right, and just working through that Trello boards and that kind of thing. So the frustration for us was like understanding what is the best route. You know, is there someone that can just manage that and take over that for us, rather than us spending all of our time trying all these different platforms to get them to work? So that's why we came to you.
Yeah. And I think you individually, could you say that by the time that I've saved you being in delivery for the most part and actually systemizing that entire process, allowing you to focus more on YouTube and ads, it's actually attributed revenue to the business?
Absolutely. So now we have this system in place. Not only does, yes, it free up my time to go and focus on those 10x tasks, like creating more content, creating ads, delivering for clients, but it also means that we can now scale. We can take on more clients, right? We're able to now say, okay, well, we can handle more people at once because we have this mechanism in place. Our whole process is now systemized. We're not necessarily constrained by the amount of people we can work with per month. So not only have you saved me time, you've also made us money in me being able to focus on marketing and also bring on more clients every single month.
What's the amount of clients that you were onboarding before and then like the amount that you can take on now? Is there a difference there?
Yeah, sure. So we were capping ourselves between like 5 to 7 clients per month. We charge high ticket, so it's very much hands-on like a done for you service. So the way that we were running it, it was like all attention on these 7 clients really. We're now pretty much double that because the system's in place, because we've been working on refining that over the months that we've been working together. We now have that capacity to bring it up. And that's without us having to double the team, for example. It's just a few more team members, training them on the system you built us. And yeah.
Yeah, I mean, so in theory then, by the client capacity, as long as you can get that amount of clients in that amount of time, then you've literally doubled the business without hiring more people.
Yeah,
that's mad.
exactly. Yeah, like the business is only as strong as the systems it's built on, right?
Yeah, exactly. So what would you say to someone who's considering working with Optimally and me?
Yeah, so there are a ton of people that I've met in the online space over the last 9 years. 95% of them can't be trusted to do anything. So when I first met you, I was like, oh, here we go. Here's another business that is going to be sort of fly by night, not going to be here in 2 months' time. But you are one of the smartest people I've met so far. You are incredibly genuine, super hardworking, and the effort and the thought process that you've put into the systems that you've built us, bar to none, like so good, mate. And yeah, you should be proud of what you're building because it's really helped us. And I know whoever's watching this video needs to work with Optimally. So good.
I appreciate that, Liam. Thank you. Well, I mean, that's probably all we've got time for now, but I appreciate you hopping on and we'll talk again soon.
Legend. Can't wait to keep working with you, man.